Hey guys, it's me, Chris here, and today we're doing a little video I did from my old YouTube channel, Vista School. If you don't know what that is, I have the link in the sidebar. That was my old YouTube channel, but before I could have done anything else, I realized that Vista was the copyrighted name, so I couldn't use it in my name anymore. No one told me; I just realized it myself, because I even couldn't make the website, because it would have been an infringement of their copyright. But so that's why I made Tweak Universe, and I'm just going to be making another video of the same one. This one's going to be doing the talking program. And it's pretty cool because you actually type in you make a little text box and you type it in, and then a female voice outputs whatever you write. So I just downloaded Microsoft Visual Basic 2008 because I read through my laptop, and I'm gonna create a new project. And I'm gonna create this one. I talk, and let this build up, and then we got the form here. Um, we'll just open this up a little bit. Let's do a little bit of changing around because this is the first time. I'll change all my stuff around. Here, let me put this over here. And there we go, that's kind of much better. Got my properties box on window back up. And I think I'm fine now. Alright, so let's change the text. The text to, whoops. I talk. We're gonna not include a icon in here just for purposes. I don't really like the icons. So I'm just gonna quickly take off the icon and find it. No, I can't. Whatever, we'll just leave the icon there. We're gonna add two little things. We're gonna add the two buttons actually. We're gonna add a button here, and we're gonna do Control V or Control and then Control V, and that's gonna create a copy of the other one. We're gonna make this a little bit smaller just so we can fit a little bit more things in there. Make it just a little simple box. So I'll make this a little bit smaller. That's kind of fine there. And we're gonna name this one to Speak. Oops. And then I'm also gonna name it to Speak, so I can be easier to call it out. If I can just find the name. It's like they did redid their whole thing now. Oh, here, name. So, Speak. And we're gonna name the other one just End or Exit. So we'll do Exit, and then we'll just call this one Exit. So now we got this, we got two buttons. Huh? Whatever. Why is it saying that? Here, we'll do just End. Why isn't that allowing me to write End? This. Okay, we'll just leave it to 2. Property is not valid. Identifier 2. What the hell? Let's go back to button 2 then, because I don't know what. There we go. Alright, I'm sorry about that. Stupid program. But let's go to the toolbox now and let's add a little text box. Just do this multi-line so we can drag this everywhere. Probably put it up to here and up to here. That's probably good enough. Now we're gonna double click on the speak, and we're gonna create a dim. What a dim is, if you guys know what Java is, when you try to call something, you might want to do it as a private, and private's kind of like the same thing as Visual Basics, but it's a dim. So we just dimmed SAPI as it's underlined green because it doesn't equal anything. But we're gonna change that right now by changing that to equal create object, and we're going to create an SAPI voice, if I can spell it right. Then we're going to close this off. So now what we did was we called it. Now this equals this, kind of like if you write in Java private and you have to do what it's called. So now we're going to write, now we got this. Now this is creating an object and it's creating a voice. So what we have to do now is equal API. This is what it calls for This is what calls when the button's pushed. So it's gonna do SPI.Speak text box. Whoops. Text box 1.text. So what this is, it's gonna speak anything in text box 1.text. So that means whatever's in there, it's gonna talk about it, or it's gonna say whatever it is. And we can right click on exit and just do Me.Close. Whoops. There's a bunch of ones like end and other stuff. So we're pretty much done now. Let's run it and let's try it out. You guys won't hear it because it's running through my headset, but you guys will definitely hear it. So, oops, let me type in something. Alright, let's say talk. Yeah, I can hear it now. Let's say subscribe. If I can spell it right. Let's do Tweak Universe is the best. I'm just saying that just for random stuff. Let's do a space because it sounded like so stupid. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's put a question mark. Let's see if it changes. Nope, doesn't change at all. Put exclamation mark. No emotions in this lady's voice. How depressing. Whatever. We're gonna click exit and then it's done. So you guys just create a little talking box here. I'm gonna go through it again. The coding. Dim is when you write something like you can dim. I can dim Chris. It's gonna be underlined because Chris doesn't equal anything. But if I put Chris equals, let's say I want to make it equal my.computer.file system, I can do that. So now whenever I write Chris, it's automatically just gonna make it a shortcut for that. So let's say if I write Chris dot equals, see, or I can write, if I continue this, I can actually set a little dim to retrieve a current file. So I can set to ask if file exists. But I can do a lot of things with dims, and there's a bunch of other things you can do with dims. So I'm going to take this dim off. So you just dim this, and then you made it equal to a variable, which is CreateObject, and then SAPI.SPvoice, this is the CreateObject, and then it just talks about whatever it's in there. So yeah, there you go, guys. Please subscribe and comment about this. Hope you guys liked the video. Follow me on Twitter at www.twitter.com/tweakuniverse. And there you go, guys. Thank you very much.